Hello everyone. In this session, we will see another question on variable separable. Well, it says solve 2xy y dash is equal to y square minus x square. Now, we can see it is not easily separable, but we can reduce this so that we can have one variable on one side and another variable on another side. So this is 2xy dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square, which can be written as dy by dx equal to, let's say 2 is on this side only, y square minus x square by xy, which we can also write it as, if we take x square common from both the numerator and denominator, this will become y square by x square minus 1 by y by x. So this 2 times of dy by dx becomes this. Now if we take y is equal to, let's say, ux, then y by x becomes u. Also this dy by dx will become u plus x du by dx. Yes, we can do this, and in that case we can put this dy by dx in this equation and also the u. So this equation, continuing this equation, this will become 2 times of dy by dx will become u plus x times of du by dx, and on the other side we'll have u square minus 1 by u. This is 2x du by dx, and this 2u can be brought on the right side as u square minus 1 by u minus 2u. This will become minus 2u square. So this is minus u square minus 1, and this side we have 2x du by dx. Now we can clearly see that now it is possible to separate the variables. We have this x terms on one side and u square on one side. We can just exchange the du and dx so that we have all the terms on one side. So this becomes 2u by 1 plus u square du is equal to minus 1 by x dx. I am keeping this minus on this side only. Now we can integrate. Integrating on both the sides. On the left side we can see it is ln of 1 plus u square, although this mod value is not required because 1 plus u square is going to be positive only. So ln of 1 square will be 1 by 1 plus u square into 2 times of du, right? This ln plus 1, so this is the integration, and we can see the differentiation of ln of 1 plus u square will give this term 2u by 1 plus u square. On the other side we have integration of 1 by x, which will be, since there is only already a minus sign, So ln of x, and let's say some constant, and let's take that constant also to be c. In that case, we can bring this minus ln x on this side. This will become ln of 1 plus u square in and plus ln of x is equal to ln of c. So we can remove this ln by multiplying the terms on the left side as 1 plus u square times of x is equal to c, and we know that u square is nothing but y by x, so this is 1 plus y square by x square into x is equal to c. So this is nothing but y square plus x square equal to c times of x. This will be the solution, right? So what we did here was, we didn't had this variable separable, but we reduced it into such form and then found the general solution.